There is a lot more water on our planet than on yours. It is not inclined in its axis so much, and thus the reason for the temperate environment overall. Not so many what you would call seasons on our world. It is almost always relatively within a 13-degree span of around what you would call about 72 degrees. The idea also is that there is much animal life, although it is all symbiotic, not predatory in any way, shape, or form. At this point in our evolution, our animals have evolved with us. We are now moving from the idea of fourth density to fifth density, which means our civilization is becoming less and less physiological.
Is there any correlation, like with any plants or animal life on Earth to your planet?
Yes, there is direct correlation in the sense that there are actually Earth dolphins on our planet, because they have been brought there, some of them. Other animals, in that sense, are part of the evolutionary process of our own world. There are some similarities. There is nothing absolutely identical to your planet, but there are a lot of similarities. Also, because you must understand, we are literally an engineered race, a hybrid race. Half of what you call the species of the gray, half of what you call your own species of human. Then also our planet was engineered for us by the Greys, and in that sense is the reason why it is relatively idyllic. And also they brought to our world some of the ancient forms of animal life from your planet, although some of them have been genetically altered to be able to exist in our dimension of reality. That is why there are some of the genetic patterns that would allow you to recognize many of our animals as similar to your own, but they are not any longer identical, but because of genetic alteration and the evolutionary path they have taken since the original genetic alterations were made when our planet was engineered.